For you guys that don't know, I won my very first nail competition with some under the sea nails. So I'm going to start off with prepping the tips, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of gel polish. Then I'm going to apply some double-sided sticky tape to this carbon fiber stick. You could use a nail file. This just keeps down on the mess because I'm going to use an airbrush. And the airbrush I like to use is Iwata, and I use those because they're metal and very easy to clean when using nail polishes. And I'll clean my airbrush with pure acetone. If you're trying this and you're having problems getting nail polish to come out of your airbrush, it could be a couple things. 1, your air compressor is too weak, and 2, the nail polish is too thick, which you will need some nail polish thinner. So I use mostly the Morgan Taylor Summer Collection for the background here, and the Summer Collection just has some really bright colors to use. Once I have the background airbrushed, I put on a coat of matte top coat, and that kind of protects everything just in case I mess up any of my foreground images. Since these are all 5 nails that go together, earlier you would have seen me line them up and trying to get them as lined up as possible. And I always use photo references when it's a subject that I don't do all the time, and that really helps out a lot. After airbrushing, all of the gels that you see me use is going to be the Gelish Artform gels, and those are just really highly pigmented and easy to blend, and so you get the best control out of those. For you guys that are new to nail art, I do suggest you get yourself a set of Gelish Artform Essentials that comes with your primary colors and black and white. Pretty much everything you really need to get started with doing some really intense nail art. Thanks, guys.